Hello friends, welcome to our channel Aha Zindagi Tricky Maths. In this lecture, we will discuss some important problems on the topic aggregation or mixture. So let's start. See, in this problem, what is given? Two quality of wheat are mixed in the ratio 8:7. First quality wheat rate is 930 per kg, 9 rupees 30 paisa per kg. While for the second quality of wheat, price is not given. We have to find that, and the mixture formed will be costing rupees 10 per kg. So we have to find the rate per kg of second quality of wheat. Okay, so we can use the rule of allocation. So first we will assume let price of second quality be rupees x per kg. Okay, so type a type a cost price and type b cost price. Okay, type a cost price is 930 in paisa, it will be 930 paisa, and type b, as we have assumed x, so it will be 100 into x, that is 100x paisa, and mean price or mixture price will be mixture cost price, it will be equal to 10 rupees per kg. So 10 into 100, that is 1000 paisa. So ratio of type A to type B will be, see, 100x minus 1000, 100x minus 1000, and this will be 1000 minus 930, that is 70. Therefore type A ratio type B or A ratio B, it will be equal to 100x minus 1000 divided by 70, and the ratio is given as 8:7, so we should equate with 8 by 7. Okay, so after calculating this we will get x equal to 10.80. Okay, so rate of second quality of wheat will be rupees 10.80. Our answer will be option C. We will discuss next problem. See, in this problem it is given three types of tea or three variety of tea are mixed. So first variety rate is 126 per kg, second variety 135, and third it is not given. And quantity ratio is given as 1:1:2. Mixture price is 153 per kg. So we have to find the third variety per kg price. Okay. So we will assume let price of third variety be rupees x per kg. Okay. Now if you see ratio are 1:1:2. So we will assume let quantity of three varieties we are assuming as A, B and C. So A, B and C be Y, Y and 2Y kg respectively. Okay. Now we can calculate the mean price. Therefore mean price will be rate of first quality, that is 126, and quantity is Y. So 126Y plus 135Y, and third quality is rate is 5x per kg we have assumed into 2y, so twice of xy divided by y plus 2y, that is total quantity, and it is equal to mean price, that is 153. Okay, y will get cancelled out in numerator and denominator, so we will get 126 plus 135 plus twice of x equal to 153 into 4. So from here, solving this, we will get x equal to 175.50. Okay, so rate of third variety equal to rupees 175.50 per kg. So our answer will be option C. We will discuss next problem. See, in this problem it is given a merchant is selling 1000 kg sugar. On the first part he has earned 8% profit, while on the second part 18% profit. Mean profit is 14%. So we have to find the quantity sold at 18% profit. Here also we will assume the total quantity as sub. Okay, we will use rule of alligation. Okay, so type or first part profit, and second part profit. Second part is 18%. Okay, second part profit is 18%. It is 18%. First part it is 8%. And mean profit it is equal to 14%. Okay, so we can find the ratio of first to second part. So it will be equal to 18 minus 14, that is 4, and 14 minus 8 will be 6. So ratio of first part and second part, it is equal to 4:6, or it can be written as 2:3. So out of 5 part, 3 part are second part, which is having a profit of 18%. Therefore quantity of second kind, total quantity is 1000, and out of 5 part, 3 part is second kind. So 3 by 5 into 1000, so it will be 600 kg. Our answer will be option number C. We will discuss next problem. See, here it is given a container contains 40 liters of milk, and 4 liters of milk was taken out and replaced by water. So this process was further repeated 2 times, means total number of times this process was done is 3 times. So we have to find the milk remaining in the container. Okay. So we can use a shortcut formula here and calculate the amount of milk or any pure fluid in the mixture. So amount of milk left after 3 operations or n number of operations. So it will be equal to initial quantity of milk, that is 40, into 1 minus quantity replaced in each process. Okay, so 4 divided by initial quantity, that is 40, to the power number of operations. So here it is 3, and this many liters, so it will be 40 into C. When we divide, it will be 10. So 10 minus 1, 9. So 9 by 10, but power is 3, so it will be written 3 times. And it will be equal to 29.16 liters. Okay. So our answer will be option number D. We will discuss next problem. See, in this problem it is given a can contains 2 types of liquids A and B, and initially ratio was 7 is to 5. So 9 liters of mixture are drawn off, and the remaining part which is filled with type B. Okay, type B liquid. So ratio of A and B in the resulting mixture will be 7:9, and we have to find the liquid A quantity in the initial mixture. Okay. So based on the given ratio, we can assume the quantity of A and B in the initial mixture. Let the can contains 7x and 5x liters of A and B respectively. Okay. Now we can calculate quantity of A in the mixture left when 9 liters of mixture were drawn off. So quantity of A in mixture left. So initial quantity was 7x, and out of that when 9 liters of mixture were drawn off. See, in the mixture also ratio of A and B will be 7 is to 5. So out of 12 parts, 7 part will be A fluid or A liquid. So 7 by 12 into total quantity removed is 9. So this will be equal to 7x minus 21 by 4 liters. Similarly, we can calculate quantity of B in mixture left, and initially quantity was 5x, and out of that 5 part out of 12 part was B. So it will be equal to 5x minus 15 by 4 liters. Now in resulting mixture, see, in resulting mixture ratio of A and B is 7 is to 9. So quantity of A was 7x minus 21 by 4 divided by quantity of B was 5x minus 15 by 4. But what happened when we removed 9 liters of mixture? The can was filled with B liquid. So 9 liters will be added, and this ratio will become 7 by 9. So solving this, we can find the value of x, and x will be equal to 3. So we have to find the liters of A contained in can initially. Okay. Therefore, quantity of A initially, it will be equal to 7x. So 7 into 3, that is 21 liters. So our answer will be option number C. Okay, friends. So in this lecture, we have discussed some important problems on the topic elevation or mixture. Okay, thank you.